Tim Cook shares insights about Apple Intelligence. At the Worldwide Developer Conference 2024, Apple has made a few major announcements which are likely to set a new height for the company. One thing that captivated everyone was Apple Intelligence, a newly introduced holistic approach in the field of AI. As the Cupertino-based tech giant is late to join the AI trend, Apple's CEO Tim Cook, in conversation with the popular YouTuber Marques Brownlee, shed light on Apple's approach to AI, privacy, and much more. Initially, the host asked the CEO about how the company defines AI, as Apple has never mentioned this particular word anywhere. Cook replied that the company was working over AI for a long time now and said it's at the root of the watch. Think about crash detection, fall detection, and things like AFib. All of this is machine learning at the end of the day, but what's captured people's imagination is generative AI. He interpreted that Apple takes it as a great opportunity in the technological realm and offers a variety of remarkable features to all the users and assists them to enhance their performances in multiple fields. Cook added, "We approach it very thoughtfully, focused on privacy as a key tenet of our thrust into AI." Apple has also showcased the integration of privacy and security-related features in Apple Intelligence, which is also backed by Apple's proprietary private cloud compute. According to Cook, PCC is utilizing Apple's silicon architecture, ensuring that AI is completely protected and added. For world knowledge outside personal context, you may use a large language model like ChatGPT, making a conscious decision each time. No data is sent to OpenAI without explicit user consent. Additionally, the CEO thinks that everything will surely get smarter with Apple Intelligence, and the users would require less time to perform anything, which previously took more time.